Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my channel. Back with an exciting video. In this video, what I'm trying to do, I'm using one of my USRP at the same time. If you guys can see it, this USRP is firing up, and also an HackRF that is also there as well. So I'm using my HackRF and my USRP, which is Ettus USRP, and we're going to try to transmit two jamming signals, and we're going to try to receive those signals using an RTL-SDR dongle, which is connected to my laptop, as you can see where my Gqrx is running. So right now, this particular HackRF is being controlled by this laptop right here, which is this screen that is running Dragon OS Focal, and we're going to receive the signal using our MacBook that is connected to my RTL-SDR dongle, as you can see it here on the screen. So my RTL-SDR dongle is connected to my MacBook, while my HackRF is connected to this laptop, and my USRP N210, which is also doing the transmission, it is also connected to my other laptop, which is my MacBook Air. So first of all, so this is what you're seeing right now using Gqrx. If I can stop this and show you this. So right now I'm using RTL-2838. So this is where the reception is taking place. So we're going to try to send two different jamming signals. One using this laptop that is connected to HackRF, and one also using USRP N210 right here that I'm using to transmit a jamming signal. So in order for me to actually run this, I'm going to open up my terminal. All right, so this terminal is for that, and this terminal is just going to be man page, and I'm going to open up. So I'm going to do USD find devices. So I'm going to keep this thing running right here. I'm going to bring this out here. Let me just zoom in on it. So USD find devices. Once you have your USRP connected, alrighty. So you have RTL-SDR dongle connected. Also, you might have USRP connected as well. That has an IP address of 192.168.10.1. So let me clear this. Hold on a second. CLEAR, clear this, and let me run USD underscore signal generator. So we're going to use this signal generator to generate noise signal. Underscore GUI and frequency 485 megahertz, e to the 6. So you will get another screen. Let's wait for it. And USB claim. Hold on a second. Here we go. So right here, so this, let me just minimize this, and let me minimize this. So right now, as you can see, it is sending a complex signal, and we're going to switch this to a Gaussian noise. So this is my Gaussian noise. That's the output. This is actually coming out from my USRP N210, and is being received by my RTL-SDR dongle, which is connected to my laptop. And if you guys, I can show you, the antenna is mounted on here, right here. That's my antenna. So I'm going to bring this here. So the next step is this is Gaussian noise. This is a constant source. This is a complex source, 485 megahertz. I'm going to leave this as is. I'm going to increase my transmit gain. So we will see what will be the effect of that transmit gain. So let me just increase this as well. And we're going to switch this to uniform noise. All right, this is the uniform noise, this is Gaussian noise, and things like that. I'm going to increase my signal amplitude as well. So we're going to do this. So while this is sending a Gaussian noise, we're going to run this. So there's a script this is available, which is called RF Jammer, that's going to generate jamming at the interval of 625 microseconds and at 485 megahertz. So I'm going to hit enter. So while this thing is running, we will see the effect at 485 megahertz. So let's see. So this is uniform. All right, let me just turn this off so you guys can see the effect. So let me just turn this guy off. This is when this jammer is active using HackRF. When this jammer is active, this is the spectrum that you're seeing right now. When I activate the other jammer, which is actually based on USRP, let's just wait for it. Let's let the screen come in. This is what you start seeing when you send a complex sinusoidal signal. Let me increase the gain, signal amplitude, and let me also increase the transmit gain as well to whatever the max gain is, which is 31. So this is what you're seeing right now when both of the jammers are active. Now when it turns to Gaussian noise will have a huge spread, and uniform noise will also have a similar type of a spread. This is when I'm also this jammer is also running, and then I am also using a two-tone signal. This is what it looks like. So there's a lot of activity going on, and when I do a sweep, same thing. And this is a constant source, this is a complex source, not much of a difference. This is a Gaussian source when this jammer is taking place. Let me turn off this jammer so you can also see the effect of this. So let me Control Z. So not much of an effect of this. This is what a complex signal Gaussian source, and let me unplug this and plug it again to see the effect of this particular jammer that is using a so this is what the effect looks like. Let me just turn off this jammer, or let me just turn off this guy. This is what in the spectrum with only this jammer that is operating using HackRF. When I use this script to run that, this is what the effect of this Gaussian noise source. Let's just wait for it. Let the screen come in. Here we go. So this is the effect of this. While Gaussian noise is actually occupying the biggest spectrum, all the way from 483 to 485 megahertz, or 482 to 485 megahertz based on the sampling frequency. This is what a uniform source looks like. This is what a two-tone signal looks like. So while both of these jammers are, this jammer is operating, and then I'm also using USRP as a noise source. So I hope you find this tutorial just a little experimentation that I just came across. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.